My dear friends, I must say, I am really enjoying your wonderful company. We seem to be having fun. I seem to be syncing with your mind. You seem to be syncing with my mind. But that is strange because I don't have any mind. I would like to know what your people do in your leisure. One of the things which I like to do in my leisure is I like to go for holidays. I have been all over the world. I have been to Indian resorts, I have been foreign. But sometimes planning a trip makes it very boring. So this time I tried to do something very exciting. Right? I have actually made a prediction in this briefcase, and I want somebody to keep this very, very safely, and that person will have to be the safekeeper of this. Can I hand this to you, sir? Just keep it very safely because it has got an important prediction in that. I have put a prediction in a very safe place. Now, my dear friends, this time I don't want to plan my holiday. Right? I want to go on a dream holiday, and for that, I want my dear friends, that is you, to help me plan my holiday. Right? So, please think of something very exciting. Right? And I will ask you as to some questions. I will come to each of you. Who is it that I have not been to? Ma'am, have I? Yeah. Who is it that I have not? Yes, I don't think, ma'am, I asked you anything. If you were to go to a dream holiday, all right, any place in the world, don't say Goa or Lonavala, please. Anywhere in the world, maybe India also, which is the place you would like to go? Just say it loudly, think of it, and say it loudly in the mic.
Maldives.
You would like to go to Maldives? That's not far from India because I think you can come back fast. And is that your daughter? Why would you like to go to Maldives? It's a beautiful place, I know that. I think Maldives is a very good choice, right? Sir, I'll ask you, if somebody gave you a free holiday to Maldives, which airline would you like to go, assuming that you don't have to pay for the ticket? It is absolutely free for you. Which airline of the world would you like to go to Maldives?
Cathay Pacific.
Cathay Pacific. I know why you want to go in Cathay Pacific. Even I like to go in Cathay Pacific. All the guys have got not more than 25-inch waistline. Your taste and my taste is the same. And let me ask you, sir. Yes, sir, you. If you are going to Maldives on Cathay Pacific, now, who is it? Don't tell my wife or my sister. Okay? Who is it that you would like to go along with? Okay? Not a wife or sister or mother. Okay, that's good. Remember, wife, sister, you are going on a holiday. So just think and assume that wish will come true. Whom would you like to go with? He is a very difficult person. A friend of mine. Does that friend have any? Firstly, I want to ask, do you like ladies or gents? What is your preference? Of course, ladies. I am so much relieved to hear that. So, that friend of yours, she must be having some name, isn't it? Is it Sunny Leon? No. Just think that there is a lady you would like to go with. It's a mystery lady. Who would you like to go with?
Madhuri Dixit.
Have you seen Dr. Lele? He will give you anesthesia permanently. So Madhuri Dixit is a very good choice, you know. And even I would fantasize to go with Madhuri Dixit and leave Dr. Lele to do his surgeries in New York somewhere. And sir, You would like to go to Maldives on Cathay Pacific with Madhuri Dixit and sir, assume, yeah, assume that all these three wishes came true and Mr. Nair was paying for this holiday. I know he is, but this is the first time Mr. Nair says, give any figure, whatever you want. You have done such a good job in this company. I will give you a blank check and write the figure which you want for your holiday to Maldives with Madhuri Dixit, and you can go on Cathay Pacific.
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. That's it. It's today man. 10 lakhs. See, Baba, you are going to holidays for 5-6 days, not for 2 years. You know, this is what people say. 10 lakhs. Okay. And madam, in Maldives, what would you like to do on the beach over there? Or if you don't want to go on the beach, what would you like to do in Maldives? Nothing? You mean this 10 lakhs should go completely waste? You will sit in the hotel and do nothing, sleep only? No. Mr. Nair will remove that, he will bounce the check for sure. So please tell me, what would you like to do in Maldives? I cannot take nothing because it is not possible to do nothing. Have you ever tried to do nothing? If you do nothing, you get paid nothing. You are getting paid, isn't it? So, you are not getting paid? You are not working in FEI? You are, Mr. Nair, what is this? She says she is not getting paid, but she does nothing. No, don't do like that. Think you are going for a holiday in Maldives. It's a beautiful sea resort. So what would you like to do when you go on a sea resort? Nothing. Okay. So all this going by Cathay Pacific, going by to Maldives, going with Madhuri Dixit, Mr. Nair is paying 10 lakhs, and at the end of it, what are we going to do? Nothing, big zero. Well, sometimes dreams, they turn into reality, and let me see how my dream holiday would be. Sir, somebody brought, I given the bag to somebody. Sir, can you please come? Please put the bag on this table. Do you all recall I had said that I would put my prediction in a very safe place. So, sir, what's your good name? Huh? Vinit. Will you please open the bag for the first time? You'll find one envelope. Yeah. What is it says here? Use me. You know why you have to use this? Because I have put my prediction in a very safe place, and you have to wear that glove to put it on. Put on that glove. You have to remove it from that safe place. Can you please wear it? Come this way. Can I have that table? I am sorry, but I am going to give you a small trouble. You have to remove that prediction from a safe place. Are you willing to do that? Not really, please. I am sure you are misunderstanding me. The safe place, my friend, is I just want you to open my shoelace. Open my shoelace. So open my shoelace. No, you don't have to worry so much opening a shoelace like how you open every day. Yeah. And I don't want to touch my shoe. Can you please just remove my shoe? Yeah, just open my shoe. Slowly. Slowly. Yeah. And in my shoe, just touch it and there will be a prediction inside. Will you just turn it over on this table in front of everybody? Now, sir, you remember I had made one prediction? Can you please come here, sir? Can you please open that prediction? And I want you to read very slowly and nicely so everybody can hear what I had predicted.
My dream,
No, they can't hear you. A little louder.
my dream holiday, I would like to go to Maldives by Cathay Pacific Airlines with Madhuri Dixit with 10 lakhs and do nothing.